The Foolish Lion. A ferocious lion ate animals every day. One day, the animals approached the lion. They said, "Stop killing us." The lion replied, "If you send one animal to me every day, I will spare you all. But the day no one is sent, I will kill you all." Now, one by one, the animals went to the lion. With time, it was a wise rabbit's turn. He did not wish to be killed, so he devised a plan. He arrived very late at the lion's den. When the lion asked him the reason for being late, he replied, "I was stopped by another lion, but I escaped." The lion wanted to see this new lion, so the rabbit took him to a well. He said, "See, that's him." The lion, on seeing his reflection, thought it to be another lion. He angrily jumped into the well, but drowned instead. The animals were finally free.